If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you Gbob Tech TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Valley Tech expert in services like graphic designing, they will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their YouTube channel at YouTube name as Gbob Tech TV. If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduced
a surprise news for everyone, and this will help every content creator. Now, I'm sorry if you are new watching this video and you are not a content creator. You can also join this because it has not been easy for everyone to do it. This is nothing but TikTok. TikTok is one of the social media platforms that allow you to become a content creator. Upload your videos and they will pay you through it. But some countries are not allowed to be part of this cheap ways of making money with this app unless you go live and people gift you. So today we are going to learn how to create a UK account, and I'm going to teach you every step one by one how you are going to get your UK account, and you will use it to be making your money at TikTok per every video you will upload. But before you will be able to pay by your video, you have some requirement you have to reach before. After you finish creating your account, which is your UK account, you need to get 10,000 followers and 100,000 views. So the 100,000 views and the 10,000 followers, and anyone who create account, you have to be more than 18 years. So that these are the 3 requirements you need. When you get them, you are good to go. So they will now accept you. You now monetize every single video of yours. If the person watch, if they likes, if they scroll by, if they use your sound, whatever they will do, TikTok is going to pay you for that. So we are now to start, and later I'll be teaching how you can get it. It's not easy you can get those followers, but you have to make more content that will make people like it, and they'll jump into your page all the time. They try to come, they watch videos so that you can get your views and you can get your followers too. So for us not to waste time, let's get started. All you have to do is to go to your App Store or Play Store. I'm using an iPhone, so I would rather say App Store. So if you're also using an Android phone, go to your Play Store and download this VPN I'm to show you. First, I'm going to show you the VPN first. Here is the VPN, which we call VPN EFI. VPN EFI. This one. So for some people not to get confused, let's go to App Store. I'm moving to App Store so that I will search for this VPN. As I'm doing, you follow that way. So you search for VPN EFI. Let's see if this VPN will come. My network is slow here. I know probably it may be misbehaving, but if yours is there, if you just search it, it will come. And when it comes, you download it. This VPN gives you 24/7 free VPN. This is it. You see it. This is the VPN. I've already downloaded it. All you have to do is just to download. After you finish downloading, you pop or you open this VPN. After opening it, then I will show you what to do. Then open it. This VPN will let you watch us, and they will let you start using it for any location you want. So just type open. Now after you finish typing open, this VPN will now start to pop out and open. They said VPN EFI Premier. If you want to subscribe, you buy that. No, we are not here to buy. We want to use free. So here, check at the left corner of you see some sign like this. Just type on it. This will come here. Now all you have to do is come down here. You see they say select server. Tap on it, the particular country you want to use to get this VPN, or this VPN to change your login locations into, is what you're going to. I already have my kept in UK, which is selected at the location. You see it, United Kingdom. So we are all going to use UK. So all you have to do is just to type on select server. When you type on it like this, the countries are there. You type on UK, which is this one here. So when you type on it, it will come like this. Now you just press on connect. When it is connect, when it is about to connect, an ad will pop out like this. This is what will pay for your VPN. So you are not going to pay anything. So when you just finish watching, you skip it like this, and then the VPN has been connected. Check at the upper top of my phone here. You see that they write VPN. It means the VPN has connected. Now my VPN connected my phone, and the locations of my phone has all changed into United Kingdom. So I am not currently in Ghana. So all you have to do is just to go to your browser, Chrome or any browser. I prefer using Chrome, so I'd rather go to Chrome. So then if I go to Chrome, I'll search for TikTok. Now you search www.tiktok.com/sign up. Now it has come. /sign up, it has come like this. They will ask you to use your phone number. You know, you and I all know we don't have UK number, so we are not in UK, but we only change our location to UK. So as we are not having UK number and we are still trying to create this account, all you have to do is email. So I know you are all having email. This email should be a new email. Sorry, I can't teach of how to get an email account here, but all of you I know, if you are using for, you should know how to create an email account. Still, if you insist of not having an email account, you don't know how to create email account, then you can come and I'll teach you how to create email account. Then you send your phone, your this thing to email, not phone. You type it here, then you enter the email, and after entering the email here, you tap on it and it will turn to this red symbol. So let me just enter any email of that my choice. So then you type on next. Now they'll ask you to create a password. Create a password. You enter any password that is strong. So they said the password must have 8 to 20 characters, letters, numbers, and special characters. So I prefer God 223344. So now the special character, I'll put $. Then sign up. Now they'll send an email message to the email you used to create this. So just check in your email and put in it, and automatically this will be created. Now when it will not log you into the interface of the page of TikTok. I don't have that email account because I'm only using this to show you, and they have sent the message to this particular email. I just type in, and I don't even know who email is. I don't even have a fan account, so that email is not mine. All you have to do is, after you finish creating, you go back to your TikTok app, then you log in. Now when you finish logging in, when you want to log in, it's here that you come, that your old account, to go to settings here and sign it out. Log out here, you see it, log it out, and then log in that other one. When you log in into that one, it will now get to an open space like this. You see it, this is mine and this is my UK account. Now when you finish creating, this is one thing that you can use to make money with this TikTok aside, which is easy. Everybody is using TikTok in Ghana here, watching videos. Even someone can make money from it. When you can make money from it, while someone is to download TikTok and or someone is to download TikTok and watch videos. You check at the left corner here, there is a box. That box there is an invite code for only people who are using this in UK and US, and they are allowed to monetize their videos. So when you type on that box, they will tell you what you are going to use. They said TikTok rewards your points. Now this points, they said 10,000 points is equal to €1, and that €1 is 15 cedis in Ghana now. So how do you get this euro? Is when you refer everyone, you get €1 like that. So Now you come. Let's read. They say TikTok. Refer your friends to TikTok. Invite friends to download TikTok and get gifted card. And we all know what gift cards are. Gift card are cards used in the Asian, like in Europe, for updating other things or using them to shop online. We have Amazon gift card. We have Play Store gift card. A lot of gift card that they have. In any of them that they say is money. And they said invite a friend to TikTok and you both get €6 in gift card. Now, valid only when inviting a new sign up. See campaign terms for details. So this is it. This is your invite code. So you then get, now they said sign up, check in, you get your reward here. So all you want to know is just to learn more of this and you are good to go. Now learn more. These are them. Now the first one, refer a friend to TikTok with your invite code or link. After they sign up, you'll get point with €6. Redeem your point for Amazon gift card and more. Your friend will also get point worth €6 when they check in daily for 7 days. When they check in daily for 7 good days. This is something huge in Ghana here. Let's say that's €6. If you can draw it here, something like it will reach somewhere 100 cities or something like that. Because it's like euros is now 15 cities, 15 times 6. It's even 15 times 6 will be more than 100 cities. It is more than 100 cities. I can't just calculate it now. Let's move on what we are doing now. What you have to do now is just to check at the right corner of your phone. There are 3 lines here. Type on it. Now, a window pop out. They said creator tools, balance, my QR code, and settings and privacy. All you have to do is just to type on the creator tools. After typing on the creator tools, it will pop a different page for you. We have to share whatever you are doing. We have the creator marketplace, subscriber, creator reward program, and video gift, and we have work with artists and live gifted. So all this will help you earn money. And anyone who is into monetization program in YouTube know what I'm talking about monetization. Monetization is for you to exchange your content into money. YouTube pay people through advertisement that they run on your videos, and you earn 10% of every advertisement that will pop out from your video. So it could be $10 per everything. So they'll give it to you at the end of every 23rd of the month as a salary. So you being a content creator for YouTube, you become their worker and you become a permanent worker. That now you will now become a CEO to your own self. Whatever you create, you own them, they'll pay you for it. And in every 23rd, they'll pay you $2, which will come directly into the bank account you have linked. And make sure that bank account is not any mere bank account that the bank will collapse at any time. You need to use a bank like Ghana Commercial Bank, Stanbic Bank with a standard rate that you know these banks are for worldwide, not of anything. So you can use any of your locality banks that you know this bank is a everlasting bank that cannot run with anything. So when they run off and your everything they'll be paying the money through the bank. You need to exchange your bank details. But that one will take you 1 week for YouTube for it to verify it. We are not talking about YouTube today. We are talking about TikTok. So TikTok payment is through gift card that you are going to draw through your Visa card. And the gift card, anyone using iPhone can redeem it with your phone. It's either you use it to shop online or you redeem it. It will be into your Visa card. You can use it to shop, but you can't withdraw it into your bank account. But to withdraw it into your bank account, you have to link in your bank account without you not using the gift card. That's why the referral this thing is telling you gift card. The gift card, you can use it to redeem. Thank you, and you are highly welcome and always being into this channel. Having any problem, you can put it at the comment section. If you know this video is helpful to you, like, comment and share to more friends. And let's move on and move this from